Primary key is a column or group of columns in a table that uniquely identify every row in that table. So here every day we are adding database in thousands of records. So there is a duplication of data. To avoid that duplication of a data, we are using keys mechanism. Among that, primary key is very important. So this primary key will allow you to identify a row of data. So what type of row of data it is? Uniquely identify every row in that table. Okay, so here primary key cannot be a duplicate, meaning the same value cannot appear more than once in the table. Okay, so the primary key cannot be a duplicate, meaning that means we cannot use the same value for second row and third row, fourth row. Okay, so these values must be differ from the first row value, second row value, third row primary key value, fourth row primary key value. Okay, remember, a table cannot have more than one primary key. So always all the tables, okay, only one primary key, that is either one key or it is a composite primary key. Okay, that point you have to remember. So what are the rules for defining primary key? Two rows cannot have the same primary key value. If we are having the same primary key value in second row, that means there is a chance for we are giving duplicate data. Okay, so this point is also very important. Two rows cannot have the same primary key value. So it must for every row to have a primary key value. Suppose I am accessing fifth row of data. So in this fifth row of data must contain a primary key value. So always primary key value cannot be null. So it will not accept. Once you define a column as a primary key, you must give some value to that primary key. So value is nothing but if I am defining it as an integer and I am going to give as a character, no, only integer, you can give integer value. And if you cannot leave any blank, if you leave it a blank, so the DBMS will consider it as a default null value. So if there is a null in the primary key, then we cannot consider that column is a primary key value. So primary key field always cannot be null. Okay, so always with some value. The value in primary key column can never be updated. Why? Because if we are using this primary key as a reference in another table, through another table, so if you are modifying, then there is a problem, because we are using this primary key as a referential integrity constraint to relate with another table. So here the important point is you never update the primary key value. Okay, so in the parent table. Okay, so when you never update, if any foreign key refers to that primary key. So see from the example, here we are having the student data, student ID, roll number, first name and email. So we have a three candidate keys, student ID, roll number and email. These three candidate keys shows represents the uniqueness of data. Student ID must not similar to each and every person. Roll number is also same. Email is also the same principle, differ from one person to another person. So I am taking set of candidate keys. From the set of candidate keys, I choose one key as a primary key. This is the student ID is the primary key. Okay. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 different values. Roll numbers 11, 12, 13 different values. Emails are different. Okay. So this student ID shows uniqueness of data based on the student ID as a primary key. you can uniquely identify a row of first data, second row of data, third row of data, and the important point is here no null value primary key, so you cannot give any null value to the primary key value. Okay, so always you must give some value, and no duplication of data. 1, 2, 3 are different values, so not same value of data. Okay, so these are the rules you have to remember for primary keys.